Ensure after you've brushed your teeth, you've rinsed your toothbrush. Then gently exfoliate your lips for 20 to 30 seconds. I do this twice in a day, that is morning and evening after I've brushed my teeth. And as I said earlier, make sure that your toothbrush is well rinsed because toothpaste is very dry. Then you go in with your scrub, which I'll show you after some few minutes how to make it, and you do this every other day, not every day. Scrubbing is a form of physical exfoliation and therefore it removes dead cells from your lips. This is how it looks up close, and personally I'll be staying with it for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, use a wet cloth to wipe off the scrub from your lips, and do it gently because the skin on the lips is very sensitive compared to the rest of the face apart from the eyes. I then go in with my vitamin E oil, which if you watched my skincare routine you already know. It moisturizes deeply and any other oil can do the same. And this is how I look up close. And before I forget, have you ever been up and about on the sun and your lips feel very dry? Yeah, it's because you're not hydrated, and when you drink water you'll feel great. Therefore, water is an integral part. So these are the ingredients for the lip scrub. We've got the jojoba oil, the vitamin E oil, sugar, the honey, and what I forgot to put here was lemon. I use 4 teaspoons of sugar in this lip scrub. And then I go in with the honey. Honey helps in moisturizing your lips and protects cracked lips from infection. It also acts as a mild exfoliator. So after mixing the sugar and the honey, that's how it should look. I then add the rest of the things, the oil and the lemon, and then I mix them up. So the lemon is a natural brightener. It brightens the lips. So this is the consistency. I then store it into a container of which it will last me for a month or so. Now this is the final look. So kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like this video, comment and share. So till next time, bye.